In this video, I'll show you how to set up a funnel quiz that skips slides using the RevenueHunt app. What is a funnel quiz that skips slides? A funnel quiz with skip logic is a quiz where one question determines which follow-up questions are shown and, ultimately, which products are recommended. For example, if a customer selects acne and flaky skin as their main concerns, they'll only see follow-up questions related to those topics, not the others. Step 1. Open your quiz. Let's see how this works. In my example, I've created a quiz called Skip Logic Quiz. The first question asks, what are your main skin concerns? And it includes 4 possible answers: acne, pigmentation, blackheads, and flaky skin. Step 2. Allow multiple selections. Because customers may have more than one concern, we'll allow multiple answers. Open the question settings, enable allow multiple selection, and set the maximum number of selectable options, in this case, 4. Save the changes. Now, users can pick several concerns at once. Step 3. Create follow-up questions. Next, we'll create 1 or more follow-up questions for each concern. For example, add a new multiple-choice question titled Acne 1. Add another called Acne 2 for additional details. Repeat the same process for pigmentation, blackheads, and flaky skin, creating as many follow-up questions as you need for each topic. At this stage, all questions will appear sequentially, but soon we'll add logic so customers only see the ones that match their selections. Step 4. Add skip logic rules. Make sure your follow-up questions appear in the same order as the options in your main question, so the flow feels natural. Skip logic ensures that irrelevant follow-up questions are automatically skipped. To apply it, open a follow-up question, for example, Acne 1. Go to the Conditional Logic, Skip Logic tab. Add this rule. If the answer to skin concerns is not acne, skip this question. This means that Acne 1 will appear only if the user selected acne among their answers. Apply the same rule to Acne 2. And repeat for all other follow-up questions. For example, if skin concerns is not pigmentation, then skip this question. If skin concerns is not blackheads, then skip this question. If skin concerns is not flaky skin, then skip this question. Step 5. Test the logic. Save the changes, then click Preview. Select Acne and Blackheads, and click Next. You'll see only acne-related questions first, then blackhead-related ones, and all others are skipped. If you try again with pigmentation and flaky skin, you'll only see questions related to those concerns. That's how you confirm your skip logic works correctly. Step 6. Link products to choices. Now that the logic is set up, we can make sure the right products are recommended. Go back to your quiz questions, open each relevant question, and link products or collections to each choice using upvotes or exclusions. For example, acne choice should upvote acne treatment products. Flaky skin should upvote moisturizing products. When customers complete the quiz, only products from the questions they actually saw and the choices they picked will contribute votes to the final results. On the results page, the quiz will display the top voted products according to your configured settings, for example, a maximum of 4 recommended items. And that's it. That's how you can create a funnel quiz that skips irrelevant slides and tailors both the questions and recommendations to each customer's unique needs. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.